Find the value of x in each of the following. Okay, let's begin with the first one. So here we have log of x equals to negative 1.7345. Now the base of the logarithm is not mentioned here, so we'll assume that it's by default 10. That means we have log of x with a base of 10 equals to negative 1.7345. Now in order to find out the value of x, what we'll do, we're going to use a definition. We know that if we have log of a with a base of b, that's equals to c, this also means that a will be equals to b raised to the power of c. So using this definition, that means our x value comes out to be 10 raised to the power of negative 1.7345. Now we can use a calculator to compute the value for x. So x comes out to be approximately 0.00184. Or we can write it in the standard form as x will be equals to 1.843 times 10 raised to the power of negative 2. So that's going to be the value of x given log of x equals negative 1.7345. Coming to the second part of the problem, we have log of x. So we'll consider the base to be 10. So log of x with a base of 10 given by negative 3.8721. Which means that x value is going to be equals to 10 raised to the power of negative 3.8721. So using a calculator, we can compute the value of x. So x comes out to be approximately 0.0001343. Or we can write it in the standard form as x equals to 1.343 times 10 raised to the power of negative 4. Coming to the third part of the problem, so here we have log of x to the base of 10, so that's equals to negative 3.0078. So x will be equals to 10 raised to the power of negative 3.0078. So we have x corresponding to 0.0009822. Which means that x is going to be 9.822 into 10 raised to the power of negative 4. And then coming to the fourth one, we have log of x with a base 10. So that's given by negative 2.1381. Which means that our x is going to be 10 raised to the power of negative 2.1381. So x will be approximately 0.00726, which means that in the standard form, x is going to be 7.276 times 10 raised to the power of negative 3. Now this is how we can obtain the value of x in each of the following cases.